How to delete Alibaba account permanently on your phone. First, open the Alibaba app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Once you're logged in, tap on the My Alibaba at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the profile page, tap on Settings, which is usually located at the top right corner. Inside Settings, look for the Delete Account option and tap on it. Now, choose the reason for account deletion and tap Continue button. You may be asked to verify your identity by entering a verification code sent to your email address or phone number. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your request. After confirmation, your account deletion request will be submitted. Once the process is completed, your Alibaba account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials.